I set out to make some cute earrings, but somehow I created the world's bougiest bunnies.
Oh.
In case we haven't met yet, my name is Elizabeth. I make and sell custom and unique resin jewelry on my website, calicounicorn.com.
Oh,
I get nearly all
yeah.
my wood bezels from my friend Sophia.
Yeah.
She's the expert with the laser behind all the cute wood bezels that I use. I'll link her channel and her Etsy store below so you can check out all of her unique designs that she makes. These are pink rice flowers that I'm using, but they also have another fancy name that begins with an O, but I won't make you laugh by trying to pronounce it for you. These bunnies are already so stinking adorable, but I wanted to add some gold flake to really make them sparkle. And what's a bougie bunny without a pearly tail? While I did use gold flakes, I thought silver bows would be a really nice contrast.
Huh?
These had jump rings welded on I needed to snap off and do a little filing, and they were ready to go. I did make it a little harder on myself by adding the bunny tails before doing my top coating, but that's because I'm trying to keep the bunny tails a little higher than the top coating so they kind of give a 3D look along with the silver bows. Some bunnies live in burrows and hop through fields, but this bunny lives in a high rise and only eats $30 salads. I'd be mad about it, but I respect it as I perpetually sit here in my well worn yoga attire, even on days I don't do yoga. Not trying to brag, but I think they turned out fancier than I expected. I love the three-dimensional look the silver bow and the pearly tail give, and the contrast of the gold and silver. What do you think? Comment below. Do you like mixed metals, or are these bunnies just flexing their bougie on the rest of us?
Hey!